What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add the download or PDF print options to your WordPress blog posts. So imagine the following scenario. You do write long blog posts, in-depth tutorials, or step-by-step guides, receipts, and people may like to download this, to save this as a PDF. So how to give this option to your blog viewers, for example? The print options or the download options as a PDF. So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for friends of yours. I have no idea how much that helps us because I bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics or choose internet and sites favors. So let's get this started. First thing, go to your WordPress dashboard. Review the left sidebar of menus and hover your mouse over plugins. Into plugins, click into the sub-menu, add new plugin. You're gonna be into a page just like this one. Review the upper right corner of a screen. Next to keyword, we're gonna see a field called search plugins, and right here we're gonna type PDF and print by Best Web Swift. Okay, just like this. Best Web Swift is the developer. Click on install now. Click into the activate button. And click into the activate button once again. This is gonna redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site, okay? And if you go to any post of your site now, you're gonna be able to see two new buttons, okay? To the top section of your site. The button to view as a PDF and the button to print. Simple, right? But how to customize the options? There is, if you go to the WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar once again. Next to settings, you're going to be able to see the PDF and print options. Go to settings. And right here you can see add buttons to posts, pages, templates, landing pages, WooCommerce products. You can remove or add options right here. Button position, top right, top left, bottom left, bottom right, top and bottom left. Bottom image, none or the default. And if you're a pro user, you can upload custom images. But bottom title, we can change the title, okay? Print preview window, up to you. Open PDF, download PDF. Enable buttons for administrator, editor, author, contributor, subscriber, customer, shop manager, and unauthorized, okay? After doing your change, hit the save change button, okay? We have the output options, full page capture, PDF page size, margins, print shortcode, remove link. I don't recommend it to mark this option. Additional elements, title, author, date, and featured image. Up to you, okay? I would recommend that you apply this, but once again, up to you. Additional fonts, default CSS, and custom CSS in the case that you want. Display options for pro users, miscellaneous, upgrade, pro options, track usage, custom fields, custom code, and license key in the case that you want to go pro. What else you can explore? We have headers and footers option in the case that you are a pro user, and the panel sharing other plugins, okay? But basically this is all the options we have. As you can see, now we have the options in the bottom and in the top of our posts. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Element or Gutenberg, or Enzo WordPress theme, the best WordPress theme that can start to customize your site in the way that you want, or Growth.net platform, a place where you can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts, all for free. In addition, with our sites.gallery, there is a place where you can promote your app, your landing page, your game design, your website for free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com. purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click, in addition for premium blocks, themes, templates, plugins, and many more things to create the site of our dreams. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!